Welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can use WhatsApp on your iPad. So if you've watched my previous video, you'll know that as I tried to install WhatsApp, it told me it's not compatible with this device. So a good way to work around this is by using an app shortcut or a website shortcut. And to do this, open your preferred browser, then from here search for WhatsApp web. Then tap on the search result and you'll be taken to the website. From here, you'll need to use your phone to link your account. So you can choose to link with a QR code or you can choose to link with your phone number. It's up to you. So once you've been given the code, use your phone to scan, continue, and then confirm that you wish to link the device. Once you've done that, it should be logging you into your WhatsApp account. Then from here, you should see all your chats, and you can also navigate to your communities and status. So to add it as a shortcut to your iPad, it's fairly simple. Tap on the share button, then from this pop-up, scroll and select add to home screen. From here, choose to enter the label for the shortcut and tap on add. Then once it's been added to your home screen, you now have a shortcut on how you can use WhatsApp. So whenever you want to use it, you can just tap on it and you'll be taken directly to WhatsApp. You may need to relink again, but once you've done that, now you'll be able to use WhatsApp web on your iPad. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.